Good morning, afternoon, or evening. Welcome back to the channel once again. And if it's your first time here, my name is Gigo, and today we are back at the Hill project, which is the three-bedroom apartments that we're building for one of our subscribers here. And the last update on this project was the iron rod installation, and today we will be looking at the concrete casting of this floor, which is going to be the last decking concrete casting that we're doing on this project. The next updates are going to be block work all the way to the roofing, and then maybe we're going to cast the beams and the columns. So that will come later. But before we begin with today's episode, which is about the concrete casting, I would like us to pay attention to the beautiful job done here by the steel benders, the knee team. As you can see, very nice. You can see it for yourself, everything is nicely arranged, ready for the electricals and then the plumbing, then before we're going to do the casting. So if you like what you see, and you have your own team, your own mason or foreman, and you are building, but you don't have steel benders, you can always get in touch with me. That is his number on the screen. He has his team. He will come and check on your project, give you estimates, and tell you what's possible and what is not. So knee is always available. It doesn't matter the size of your house, the shape of your house. We have a great team here. As you can see, we have a great team and we can get the job done. So please contact knee for your steel bending work. We also have a carpenter. If you need a carpenter also, we also have a carpenter. If you want our contractor engineer to come and check your project, monitor for you, we also have. But please, the least you can do for them when you ask them to come and check on your project, the least you can do is to pay their transportation. That's the least. Maybe they come and their quote is too expensive for you, or you don't really like their vibe. The least you can do is to at least just pay their transportation for them. I think that is fair. If maybe you don't really like, their feedback and you don't want to use them, at least the effort they made by coming to your site, if you don't want to pay for their service, you can just pay their transportation to them. I think that's fair enough. So this is how far we've come under 9 months of construction, and we are almost getting to the end of the structure work. I'm like I said, this is going to be the last concrete casting for this project, and then it's going to be only block work and then the beams, which is going to hold the roof. So building on a hill is not a joke, man. It's not a joke. You always have to put in extra to be able to get what you are looking for. It comes with a big challenge though, but when you are done and you are in your bedroom or your living room and you could just see the whole city, or the town, the joy and the feeling is amazing. So, sometimes if you want quality or you want the best, you have to sacrifice a little bit. So back to today's video, as I said, is a concrete casting, and we all know what goes into the mixing. And the guys, I've done this several times, so I think I'll use this opportunity to address some of the comments that I do get. So one comment that really drew my attention was from Big Joe. He was like, "Yeah, you always telling us to build apartment, and you tell us the benefit of building apartment and stuff, but how much are people willing to pay, or how much are people paying for the apartments? If we should build, how much are we looking at? Because building apartments costs a lot of money. It costs a lot of money, so." I should also come out and let them know how much they can make yearly or monthly, when they are building. But Ghana has 16 regions, and I cannot go through all the 16 regions because the video is going to be too long. So I'm going to take the capital city and also some towns around the capital city just to give you an idea how much people are paying. So I'm going to start with this, from a three-bedroom rental home. So this is not apartment. This is a home, like a house, three-bedroom house. So as at of 2021, the average price of a three-bedroom house for rent in Accra is 4,500 Ghana cedis per month. And the most expensive three-bedroom house in Accra is going for 269,000 Ghana cedis per month. And this is from 2021. So you can imagine how much people will be paying, you know, this year, which is 2023, almost getting to 2024. So that was for the three-bedroom house in Accra. And this is the average price, So please bear in mind, so those of you who wants to build a house to rent, this is the average price. So let's go to apartment. Apartment. So with the apartment, I'm going for the three-bedroom house and also the one-bedroom house. And this will give you an idea of how much it will cost with two-bedroom house, because I don't want to make the video long. So a three-bedroom apartment in the city of Accra, that means you are in the city, where the hotspot is going for 28,000 Ghana cedis per a month, you know, and a three-bedroom apartment out of the city, out of Accra. So you are a little bit further from Accra, let's say 15 kilometers from the city center, you will be paying around 4,700 Ghana cedis. So this is for people who are a little bit further from Accra. This is apartment. And one-bedroom apartment in the city of Accra is going for 8,100 Ghana cedis. This is in the city of Accra. The capital is like in the middle, the hotspot. And one-bedroom apartment out of the city of Accra is going for 1,000 Ghana cedis, or maybe 1,200 or 1,100 Ghana cedis. So this is the range, and I think this can give you an idea how much it will cost when it comes to two-bedroom apartment in the city of Accra or out of the city of Accra. So with these figures, I think if you put them down, it gives you an idea how much you can ask for your apartment, depending on how far you are from the city of Accra, or if you are a little bit out of Accra. So I hope this gives you an idea how much people are paying for their accommodation. But please note that some of these apartments, especially those in the city center, comes with a lot of amenities. So they might ask for more, or yeah, depending on what service they are giving. So this is just like, I'm not saying this is the actual amount people are paying, but this is just to give investors, new investors, an idea how much they can make, and for people also who have built houses and they are not living in and they've just given it out to caretakers. This gives you an idea how much you can make every month. And if you're also someone who lives in the West, and yeah, if you can build a house or start build apartment, you don't have to build like 3 4 apartments. You can start with just 2 bedrooms. Just build a house and just design it into an apartment where you can also go home and have a place to stay, like what I'm doing in Pram Pram. You can check my Pram Pram project in the playlist, and just go to the cost breakdown. I've explained why and my design and everything, so that will also give you an idea. And you can make this money whilst you are hustling outside, and anytime you go home, this money can pay for your holiday, can pay for your tickets, can take care of you whilst you are enjoying your holidays in Ghana. So please let me know what you think in the comment section about these prices. How much did you pay for your apartment or your three-bedroom house? If you've been to Ghana recently, you can put the location and then how much you've paid for your apartment. And I believe this will help someone to also get an idea, how much people are paying at a certain location. So I think this brings us to the end of today's episode. I really do appreciate your time spent here on the channel, and kindly please do subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it, to that friend who is willing or wants to invest in Ghana or in Africa. You can always put your questions down there, and you can ask me, about a specific video you would like me to make or subject that you like me to talk about, and I'll do my best to bring it to you guys. So thanks for watching once again, and I'll see you in my next episode. Let's do it.